In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best dual-action car polishers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the dual-action car polishers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the dual-action car polishers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, 350W Car Wall Sander DA Polisher. This 6-inch, 350W dual-action, DA, polisher is designed for professional car detailing and wall sanding. It offers a 5mm random orbital motion for even coverage, reducing the chance of swirl marks while creating a smooth, polished finish on various surfaces. Equipped with a 150mm double-action buffer pad, this polisher efficiently handles heavy-duty polishing tasks, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight build ensure comfortable, controlled usage, especially during extended sessions. The 350W motor provides adequate power for buffing, waxing, and removing imperfections on car surfaces, achieving a flawless shine. Number 4, Mini 12V Wireless Car Polishing Machine. This Mini 12V wireless car polisher offers portability and efficiency in one compact device. Designed for small detailing tasks, this dual-action, DA, polisher features a micro-rotating action that delivers precise results, ideal for detail waxing and polishing. With a cordless design, it provides ease of movement, making it perfect for touch-ups or spot treatments. The set includes multiple accessories for versatile use and ensures a smooth, professional finish on your car's paintwork. Lightweight and easy to handle, this polisher is perfect for both beginner and professional detailers. Number 3, 1200W Variable Speed Car Polishing Machine. This powerful 1200W car polisher offers adjustable speed control and a dual-action 6-inch pad with a 21mm orbit, providing exceptional performance for large surface areas. Ideal for automotive detailing, this machine delivers an efficient buffing experience with a wide speed range to adapt to different polishing and waxing needs. The DA mechanism reduces heat buildup, preventing paint damage and swirl marks. With its ergonomic design and durable construction, this polisher is suitable for intense detailing sessions, making it a valuable tool for professionals and car enthusiasts alike. Number 2, Multifunction 120V 220V DA Car Polisher. A versatile DA car polisher with multifunction capabilities, this machine operates on a 120V 220V range, catering to different power settings worldwide. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures quiet and long-lasting performance while minimizing maintenance needs. This car and wall sander combination is designed for efficient sanding, polishing, and buffing, making it a multifunctional tool for various surfaces. With its dual-action motion, the polisher prevents swirl marks, providing a smooth, high-gloss finish. This is an ideal choice for those seeking professional-level results in detailing and sanding tasks. Number 1, BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher. The BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher features a 12V wireless DA brushless motor and includes two 2.0 Ah lithium batteries for extended use. This polisher offers the convenience of cordless operation, enabling smooth and unrestricted movement around the vehicle. The brushless motor ensures efficient, quiet, and durable performance, making it ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Its dual-action design prevents swirls and delivers a flawless finish, perfect for waxing, buffing, and minor corrections. With its lightweight design and ergonomic handle, this polisher offers optimal comfort during lengthy detailing jobs.